In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert decimal numbers to binary numbers. For instance, you have these numbers and you want to convert them into binary numbers. Now let's zoom in so that we can see properly. So let's say maybe you want to convert 0 into a binary number. There is simplest formula that you can use, which is equal decimal to binary. Substitute your number or your decimal, enter. So we all know that 0 is decimal, 0 in decimal is 0 in binary number. So now maybe let's extend our formula to autofill. So 15 is 444 in binary number and 6 is 110 in binary number. So now let's say maybe you want to go back or to go from binary number to decimal number. Just type in equal bin to des. Let's say maybe you want to convert this number, which is 444, to a decimal number. Enter. Now that's how you could use Excel to convert binary number to decimal or decimal number to binary numbers. So that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing and commenting so that others can discover our channel.